For more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. Also, ring the bell so you can get notifications anytime I have new videos. I'm doing a special project for a buddy of mine who used to be a firefighter, and now he owns Easy Pro Texture. They have the most convenient spray texture system in the world. We're getting together with Southern Wood and Shelby Stanga. We're out here at Shelby's Landing, and I'm here with a good friend of mine, Steve Rorex. He owns Southern Wood. Shelby and Steve have been friends for decades. So if you're doing a cool project and you want some hand-picked zinc or cypress by Shelby Stanga, you need to check out Southern Wood. Shelby builds his own bulkheads. All of this out of cypress trees.
So when Shelby calls and says your logs are at the landing, that means come down immediately and get them. Otherwise, he'll take them and start jamming them in the ground to shore up his bulkhead. He's built an entire fence along the property line over here. Probably $500,000 worth of logs stuck in the ground. So we've been told by Shelby this area up here was a shipbuilding area in the 1700s, late 1700s in the east. He continues to find artifacts up here in the mud. So it's kind of hard to discredit him when he constantly finds these ship artifacts.
Crazy stuff.
It's crazy stuff.
We finally made it out here to the shell hole. This is where Shelby lives, and it's a good 10 miles out through the swamps to get here. No electricity, no power, no transportation except for boat or barge. So anything that has to be brought in here has to be brought on by water. We're gonna pull a log out, show you where it comes from the water to the table.
So this is Bedico number 3, actually. Bedico number 1 had the same affliction this one did. He would jump and try to eat the bucket.
Yeah, that makes me nervous.
One day, Bedico 1 jumped in the water and just disappeared. He went underwater. He was down for about 60 seconds, and then he just popped up. Nobody told him he couldn't swim underwater.
Shelby loves to spike trees in the ground. When he's got to move stuff around like this, he uses those stumps. The man knows what he's doing. One of a kind. We're on the back end here, crawling up the bayou. This is how he gets around with his barge. This is an old paddle wheel on a barge, and it still works, but getting around in the bayous is too difficult for it. So we use this track hoe to get around in there. Now, when you get out in the open waters, the paddle wheel takes over.
Shelby out here getting crazy. Pulling some logs at the shell hole. See what happens. Hopefully Paul doesn't end up in the water today.
Got to thumb it down, dude. Got to thumb it down. Oh, man. It's gonna be hard to pull up, though. Out here, elephant hunt with a BB gun.
Man, Shelby, thank you for getting this for my buddy Jim.
Oh, man, I got that damn log for Jim, man.
Oh, hell.
Oh, hell.
That's for Jim, baby.
Good job, man.
Easy Pro Texture.
That's gonna be a pretty one, man.
This is a mule. Coming from Shelby Stanga, Southern
Woods, man.
and Paul's Toolbox.
Damn right.
Thank you, brother.
You're the man here.